पर इसका मतलब क्या था? What did you read about this? आपने क्या पढ़ा है? वो सामने लेके बोलिए.
What I have read here is that IT से related वो ही it was a meeting related to IT.
Why are क्या करते हैं?
They are deciding about the IT sector, see how much is the growth in the last 5 years, but they are seeing more opportunities are there in this sector, but due to some limitations and there are some there are many environmental factors which are affecting this sector, which is
Why I want him to put it out? Because